What is this?
It's called BAM TV.
Oh, I like this BAM TV.
Alright, so that's my yellow bike, Scarface, 80 Square Racing. It's got Paul's PKRPM3 cam in it. It's got a 32-28 big valve head, custom head built for a 70. This ain't the cam that's originally gonna go on here. I got another aggressive cam that's going on there. It's on M5 methanol. Paul's PWK 28 D slide carburetor. Not much, bro. Just a DED pipe on it. My custom frame. I did all the fabrication on it. That's pretty much it. Just simple stuff. Wrapped up a little too much.